ये दर्जा अभी बच्चों के तालिब इल्म हैं, इनको अंग्रेज़ी तक़रीर के लिए दावत देता हूँ कि तशरीफ़ लाएँ और अपने मुक़र्ररा मौज़ू पर अंग्रेज़ी का खिताब करवाएँ।
अस्सलामु अलैकुम व रहमतुल्लाहि व बरकातुहू। Honorable chief guests, scholars on the stage, students and my friends. Today I am here to speak on the burning topic of recent time, Islam and terrorism. My dear friends, it's enough surprising that Islam is attributed to violence activities and terrorism, whereas Islam teaches us peace and mercy. Islam has no connection with violence and terrorism. Islam prohibits us from cheating, stealing, hurting, abusing, killing innocents and all kinds of sins which harm the humanity. Dear audience, how can Islam allow us violence and terrorism, whereas the word Islam itself means peace and submission to the will of Almighty Allah? Allah Ta'ala says in Surah Al-Ma'idah, chapter 6, verse 31. من قتل نفسا بغير نفس أو فساد في الأرض فكأنما قتل الناس جميعا ومن أحياها فكأنما أحيا الناس جميعا. Whoever kills a person not in retaliation for a person killed or from spreading abhorrence on the earth is as if he has killed the whole of mankind. And whoever saves the life of a person is as if he has saved the whole of mankind. In fact, Islam is the religion which protects weak from the strong and prohibits us from terrorism, violence and killing. It forces to spread peace and brotherhood. It teaches the believer to have good behavior with neighbors, whether they are Muslims or non-Muslims. It does not only command the safety of human life, wealth, honor and society, but it forces the safety of animals' life as well. As it is mentioned in one hadith, there are rewards for kindness to every living being, whether a human being or an animal. Islam is the religion of universalism, tolerance, peace and reconciliation. Islam teaches that life is sacred and that the believer has a duty to uphold truth and justice. Social justice is the core principle of Islam. So my friend, Islam, as it is defined in the Quran, has perfectly enlightened and progressive structure. A real Muslim has a personality that keeps him peaceful, democratic, cultured, honest, intellectual, and he loves art, science, and all sorts of human advancement. So my friends, I pray that may Allah make this world peaceful and make us brothers. Ameen. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
माशाअल्लाह।